All soldering products can be provided in different fields. The soldering iron focuses on DIY and maintenance market. The soldering station is meant for professional repair and factories operations. Our gas soldering iron is easy to carry and use in any place. The electronic product getting lightweight nowadays, and the SI130 series follow the same design. The SI130 series are convenient for long-term process. Built-in ceramic heater inside the soldering iron can heat up very fast, only 60 seconds to heat up 200 degrees, which is almost 1 time faster than other branding soldering irons. Its consumption only 40 watts saves 65% of power usage. Reasonable price and even 15 to 50% cheaper than other branding. The SI130 construction includes ceramic heater, silicone protection cap, soft handle cover, and come with various shaped tip for alternatives. Different color handles are easy to identify, also pass the RoHS and CE certificate. The SS227 series are designed for factory users and technicians. The soldering station is digital temperature control with fast heating ability, quick temperature supplement, and ESD safe. The heating ability from 0 to 200 degrees in only 35 seconds. It has quick temperature recovery and can work with big soldering joints. Has centigrade and Fahrenheit scale for selections. Unique clock display. British set up the sleep time, except power saving. It can last longer lifetime for tips. With ESD safe design, certified by RoHS and CE, suitable for precision electronic field and lift bridge process. Our tip sends us 900M series in the market. Hereby we made the temperature test to present you the heating ability for all new models and other branding. For test result, we proved the SS227 and SI130 series with very fast heating abilities. We have devoted to develop soldering and desoldering series for 20 years to make our product line more complete. The whole series provides low MOQ in one-stop shop concept. In recent years, we focus on quality upgrade, so we spend lots of money to build in different test equipment in Taiwan and Shanghai lab. To make the reliability test, in order us to clarify the product lifetime and help our customer to measure the stable quality before shipment. We will continue to develop the large consumption soldering station and SMD reward tool to extend this product series and upgrade our product quality for complete service in the future. Pulse Kit, a friend that you can trust.